Welcome to summer here at Attention to Detail with the number 2 here in Highland, Indiana. Welcome back. We have a Z06. This is a 2026 Z06. Welcome to the Luck Series. This is episode 2. I'm your host, Aaron, and I am so excited to showcase the Z06 in Red Mist Metallic. We did quite a bit of paint protection film work to this vehicle, and we did some tint as well, and I'm super happy with how it came out. We're doing the final quality check processes here at A2D, and I want to show you that as well and kind of explain it. But first, what did we do? So we did a full track package paint protection film on this Z06. We are the #1 Corvette shop in Northwest Indiana for all PPF and ceramic coatings and tint. Actually, if you look right behind me, well, in front of me, you can actually see another C8, and we have another one over there. So we have a ton of Corvettes. We actually have 2 more Corvettes. We could take a peek if you want. We got this red C8, and then we have a blue C8 as well. And we have a ZR1 coming in soon here. So we do the most amount of C8s in Northwest Indiana by far. There's 4 here right now. And I wanted to showcase the track package PPF. So a track package of PPF, now if you don't know what PPF is, it's called paint protection film. You might hear it as clear bra. What it does is it protects the exterior of your paint from physical damages, rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes, all of the physical damages that can hit the paint is what we're protecting from. So a track package comes on a C8 with a full hood, the full 2 fenders getting PPF, the whole front bumper, all the bumper accent pieces, the front splitter, the headlights, the mirror caps, the mirror stalks, the mirror triangle pieces, the partial A-pillar, the partial roof, the door handles, and this lower rocker. We do the lower rocker, the lower side skirts. We come up into the handle, up to here. And then we do what's called a rear bumper hip. It's a custom piece. You probably won't be able to see it from whatever angle. It's pretty cool, but it actually stops right up here, and then it comes down here, and then it comes down here, and then it comes down here. And so what this rear bumper hip is it's protecting from any of the rocks and chips that can happen right from this rear back rim. So we put a piece of film on this rear bumper hip, which is the hip of the rear bumper, to stop any damages and rock chips. So now we're covered basically when you go to the track, any portions of rubber that's flying, any rock chips, road debris from the entire front as well as down the side is all protected. And we also do this partial door piece. So everything basically from this body line down is paint protection film. Now we use KDX PPF. In comparison to any other brand out there, it's actually the clearest, most non-yellowing film on the market. It has clarity like you'd never believed before. And KDX Films is like, it's top of the line when it comes to the actual quality of their film and their warranty. 10 full years warranted. It's all 8 mils thick, standard. But I want to show you our quality check process. So once the vehicle is fully complete, we do wrap and tuck every single edge that we humanly can, and we disassemble anything that needs to be disassembled. We then go through and we do a peer QC. That means that someone else in our film department is looking at the car and is going to go around and help and make sure that everything is literally perfection. Then after that, it comes back to our main shop where our quality control manager goes in and puts tape everywhere. So most of the tape is gone, but there's a few spots where there's still tape, and you can see by these blue marks here. So we still have to go through, and we're doing little tiny touches, stuff you can probably not even catch on camera. That's the type of work we're doing. I think there's a few over here. But this is really what's gonna, yeah, there's one over here. This is what's really gonna set us apart from everyone else in the area, is our pure dedication to quality work. Our service here, when you pick up your vehicle, of course we want it to look better than brand new. That's what everyone is gonna say. But we wanna make sure that you can't find a single speck that when you pick up, you're jumping up and down doing backflips. Now, with all this film getting done, Then we also tinted the vehicle. We tinted the front 2 windows and the windshield. We did the windshield in a 35% tint, and we did the sides at 20. So this one is full ceramic film. It's KDX Stellar. Their top of the line ceramic film came out fantastic. But yeah, once this vehicle is fully quality checked, then we're good to send it on its way. A few other things that we did install a new new front splitter. There was a painted red one on there originally. This one is black metallic. And then we also installed these custom radiator guards in the back here on the Z06. A lot of rocks like to fly up and hit in here. So we also put the radiator guards for the client as well. And then in addition to all of that, we did a wheel ceramic coating. So we ceramic coated all 4 of the rims. Protects with a lot of brake dust. It's easier to clean, easier to maintain. And we do that on all of his clients. This is his 4th vehicle with us. And so we do a wheel coating on all of his vehicles. He loves our wheel coating, and it's Fireball Talent on there. So it's sweet. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We are the #1 shop in Northwest Indiana. We're in Highland, right off of US 41. You can see the bridge right there, and 45th Street. Be honored to work on your vehicle. Let's start off by coming in for a consultation. So the first step of the process, give me a call, 219-533-8783. Hold on, I'll wait for you to write it down. It's 219-533-8783. Call us, book a consultation. You'll meet with one of our service specialists. We'll walk you through the shop. We'll meet you, shake your hand. It's very personable. We tailor everything that we do to you, your vehicle, and your budget. Now, once we go through that whole process, obviously we can come in. If you want to move forward, we book an actual appointment date, and we get you on the calendar. But the first step is a consultation, because there are so many differences when it comes to a particular vehicle. Every single vehicle is different. Every year, make, model, trim, everything is different. Every color, the way you drive it, we don't know what we have to do initially, protect, fix, the whole 9. So if you have any questions, please give us a call. We do everything here from ceramic coatings, paint corrections, paint protection film, window tinting, powder coating, undercoating, rust proofing, normal detailing, interior and exterior, and so much more. I'd be absolutely honored to earn your business. If you have any questions, give us a call. Again, 219-533-8783. We're booking out right now about a month and a half, or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Enjoy the C8 Z06 in red mist metallic. Thank you, Tracy, again for your business. 4th time in a row. Cheers to #5. Enjoy driving it. Aaron with attention to detail, out.